Imagine finding viral topics before they go viral, straight from Gemini's trend system. Here is how you can use trending prompts in Gemini AI. So in Gemini, simply just type this exact format. You want to type this specific prompt. Scan Google Discover plus YouTube plus X for rising topics in whatever your niche is with under 10K mentions. Now, for example, let's put right here YouTube Reels. Then we want to type the prompt and wait for it to prompt. So basically, Gemini will give a clear, powerful result and the viewer sees instant creative payoff. But what makes it really powerful isn't the topic list and it's what comes next. So basically, you want to type another prompt after typing that prompt. Like for example, create short form hooks and thumbnail ideas for each trend. Then you want to type that prompt to Gemini. Then once it's done, he will create those for you and you'll get all your niche for short form hooks and thumbnail ideas for each trend. And that's how you can basically use trending prompts in Gemini AI. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.